Okay, so we will start. We have to brief summary about brain. So brain is a system of touch, okay, of reading for the blind, which is the utilized cell of the sixth dot. Okay, if you're reading about brain, so you have to find out that there is a sixth dot, which is a very popular and which is a make out a very unique identity, which is a symbolize. Okay, that was the braille. Okay, that was a braille script. The sixth dot, that was the backbone of the brain. Now three dots, and here if you notice out, that is a two thing, the column. Okay, that is one is a vertical and second was a horizontal. Okay, and there is a 63 different character can be formed over there. Now if we write the second point, so here in the braille system consists of character of the sequence. Okay, so if you start reading, you have to prerequisite mindset. Okay, here we will more better about know. Acha, for the dot A, that was A 1. For the dot B, we have to know 1 2. By these mindset, you have to able to write properly, and you have to able to write proceeding your writing skill. Okay, now you have to know punctuation sign, composition sign, and contractions. Okay, so mainly if we talk about the contraction word, so there is a 189 contraction which is used over there in word sign in short form. Okay, now usually if you notice that in a brain, here contractions form are mainly we will use here. For what? Because we will write in a dot form, so for the contraction that make out a very easy for the learner. Okay, to make it clear their concept. Now we talk about fifth point. So there is a no distinctive symbol used to represent a numeral in a braille. So some character which is used for the first 10 letter of English alphabet. Okay, here if you write as a if you notice out in text, that is a 1 through 9 and 0 respectively. And one thing that you if you write, you have to remember that when you start writing, just put out a dot 6. Okay, to make a alphabet that was a capital form. So thank you all.